Hey there, this is Alisado with Simple Option Strategies. Today I wanted to share with you a 0 DTE trade that I did on February 11th, 2022. And the reason I wanted to share this trade was because it started out really simple. I put on 3 positions. I was actually profitable at one point, and then things went sour and actually ended up taking a loss. And one thing I learned on this is that you really don't want to turn a profit into a loss. I've been studying this quite a bit, and usually things will be fine, but on this one it turned the other way, and that's what happened. And so lesson learned. But I hope that this video is of value to you, and if you do like it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for these types of videos, because I'm going to be doing a lot of these. So here's the trade. I'm going to be trading live here. Got a couple positions ready to go. There's the bell. It is 44.10, 43.95, and it's giving me 55. I think we got filled at 55. I may put another one on there, similar order. So I'm going to put on one more here. Hopefully I get it. Yep. Got it, 50 cents. So I got 2 positions on. The first one was 9.32, and the second one looks like 9.33. Let's see here. I may put on another position here, but we're down a little bit. Let's see what we can get it at. Oh, we can get it at 80. The market needs to go down to 44.10 to be breached, and so this is probably a good opportunity to put on another position here. Gonna put it on, trying for 80. Let's try 85, and now going back down to 80. I'm gonna go down to 75, see if we can get that. We can't get 75. We'll try 70. We got 70. So the third position is 70. That's it for me. I'm not going to put on additional positions here. I do 3, and we'll see where the market ends up. I'll check back with you guys in a little while. It looks like the market starting to get its footing here, and now we're moving higher. I did look at possibly putting on call spreads, but because of the market really roared higher yesterday, I'm hesitant to put on call spreads today. Call spreads that I would put on would be 45.90, 46.05, or 45.95, 46.10. But you can see here that we can easily go up again and just erase yesterday's loss. I think I'm going to stick with the put spreads that I usually do. And right now I can tell you that the put spread is at 30 cents already. Right now we're at actually 25 points. Premium at 30. It's actually between 28 and 30 now. Now they're starting to print 25. And so you can see here how quickly this can change with 0 DTE. And going up, basically what happens is you have implied volatility, and I don't have it in the graph, and maybe next time I do this I'll show you the correlation with implied volatility. So you're getting the market direction, implied volatility in your favor, and obviously theta, that's always happening, right? The decay. So now that premium dropped to 25 cents, and the premium for the call side are at 68 and 50. If I put on those positions and the market continued moving higher, those premiums would stay out there, and the premium for the put spread is going to diminish, and I'll probably be able to close this thing at this rate probably around 10:30. So why risk it? I'll check back with you guys in a few minutes here. Oh wow, look at that. Looks like we dropped quite a bit here, actually below where we started. Premium's back to 30. But I'm sure it went down. Right now we're at 30. Market definitely took a turn lower. I'm going to mark this 25. And I have an order right now to close 3 positions at 10 cents. So I'll check in with you again in a few minutes. Okay, we're back here. You can see here the differences where the market is here and what the premium is. And so now we're at 35 right now, 38. So you can see already how much decay has occurred, right? Since I put these positions on from the beginning, and where the market is compared to where these positions are. And that's the beauty of 0 DTE. You're seeing it live here. Right now we're at 35. It makes sense, right? Between 30 and 40. But what I want to see is 10. Now that we have this volatility here, it's probably going to take us a little longer to close this out. But clearly it's still pretty bullish here. Again, I'll check back with you in a little bit. Okay, you can see here that the market went against us. Right now, that premium's at 55. So you can see here, even though the market is going against us, the premium isn't really moving here. And obviously, if I would have had the call side on, I would have been able to close that out for a nice profit. But I guess that's how you work the probabilities. In any case, the market's going down. There's really no threatened trade at this point right now. You really have to go down another 50 points or so for it to be threatened here. Okay, this is the final check-in. I was looking at the market and trying to see how we're going to manage this trade, but it definitely started going down. There was news of the Russian invasion in Kiev, and things went downhill quickly. So once we broke this level here, decided to pull the plug and was able to get out at 130. Trying to get out earlier than that, about $1 or $1.10, but I ended up getting $1.30 on it. Glad I did get out. However, you can see here that as the market went down, the premium went to 455. Because end of the day, it wasn't higher, but the market did breach. If you look at this level here, the 44.10 level was really where it was going to breach here, and it did breach it and went back up. And then this is not a place that you want to be at the end of the day, just because it could easily just go right through and you can have a max loss on it. In any case, we stopped out in time and we get to trade for another day. Hopefully this was of value to you. If it was, make sure you click on the subscribe button and like our video, just so we can continue putting out good content for you. Have a great day. This is the weekend, and enjoy your weekend. Thanks. Bye.